Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to crossbreed flowers in Heartopia so you can unlock rare flower colors fast and the right way. First, you need to unlock flower gardening. This becomes available once you reach gardening level 3. So as you can see right now, I'm still at level 1. Just go ahead and open this menu, click hobby, and from here you'll see the level of your hobbies. After reaching level 3, you want to go ahead and head over to Blank, talk to him, and from here, you'll be able to buy flower seeds. As you can see, says here, it will only unlock after gardening hobby reaches level 3. After purchasing flower seeds, you want to plant those flowers in your garden. This part is very important. Do not harvest them. Instead, make sure you water them every single day. Crossbreeding only works when flowers are fully grown and left unharvested. Now, to increase your chances of crossbreeding, invite your friends to help. You can have up to 4 friends water your flowers, and each friend adds a sparkle effect. And the more sparkles you see, the higher your chance of getting a successful crossbreed. And after the daily reset, go back and check your garden. If crossbreeding worked, you'll notice small mystery items near your flowers. Pick those items up and you'll receive new flower seeds added directly to your inventory, including rare colors like pink daisies. And that's how you crossbreed flowers in Heartopia. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!